Hi everybody, this is a little room tour. I virtually just got up the plane, got the transfer into Hollywood, and I'm at the Loews Hotel. So I've got a king room here, so I'm going to give you a bit of the tour. Obviously this is the door I've just kind of come through. So this is a bit of a room tour for anybody thinking, I want to stop in Hollywood. And this, to be honest with you, as well as the Roosevelt Hotel, bang in the centre of Hollywood and the Walk of Fame and stuff like that. Anyway, let's turn the camera around and let's start having a look on what we've got here. So as you can see, we have your obligatory big cupboard. And around here there's a safe, ironing board and hangers. Most hotels have that, don't they? Right, let's have a look at the bathroom. So the bathroom, look how big this shower is. Nice big shower, loving that. Loving that indeed. Toilet, of course. Towels and like two Hollywood type lights. Kind of got that style to it. And what do you get here? Remover wiper, I will not be needing that. Anti-aging for my skin, I will need that, I am aging. Some soap, a mirror, and me in the mirror. And yeah, and me in the mirror again. A couple of power outlets, towels, hairdryer underneath, bin. Yeah, a bathroom and also a picture of some LA palm trees. So yeah, that's the bathroom. Shall we now look into the main room? Let's shut this door. Oh yeah, and I get a dressing gown. Very posh. Okay, big mirror. Me again, how are we doing? So yeah, this is a very big mirror. And then we get into the main room. So a nice big king bed. Got my bag on there, excuse that. Let's actually take this down. Yeah, so a big king bed. A big lamp with a USB charger. A radio alarm clock that's not on. Big TV. I reckon that's a 55-inch TV, LG. And we've got some water there, but it says £11. Don't fall into that trap. £11 if you take them. So you got your big TV, your double bed, another lamp on the side, like so. Again, the obligatory hotel phone, power outlets, etc. Lamps. How many lamps this room got? 1, 2, 3, 4 lamps. 5 lamps over there. Nice little chair if I want to sit down with a little table. Nice little work desk if I was editing, but I'm not editing here. But yeah, nice little desk. And on the desk, dinner offerings, so you're getting some kind of idea what's on the menu. Some salmon, chicken tenders, carrot cake. It's a little bit pricey for maybe what you get, but that's what you get. Happy hour, 25% off drinks. Weekend brunch. Pressing, so that's interesting. The rundown. But when you got to check in, check out, etc. Like I say, another lamp, another phone, 2 phones, don't know why. And then we've got our view. Now the camera is not going to pick up too much, but in that direction there, well into the smoggy, because it is smoggy downtown LA today, smoggy distance, that's downtown LA. That church thing there, or is it the church? I'm trying to think where I am. I'm not sure if it's the one from Sister Act. No, it isn't. I'm wrong, completely wrong way. You can't see it from here. The shop's down there on Hollywood Boulevard. There's the pool down there. I could go to if I want to, but I don't think I'm going to go to it. Got too much stuff to do. The Roosevelt Hotel. This window's massive, by the way. A good view of LA. The sunshine shining in that direction. And this, in front of us here, this big building. I don't know if you can see it, Dolby Theatre. That's where the Oscars is. So I'm just looking pretty much on the roof of where the Oscars is held every year. Good, eh? So yes, that is the Loews hotel room, a double room. Like I say, smack in the middle of Hollywood. You can't get more central. I usually stop at the Dixie Hotel, which is a little bit away. It's cheaper, but this time because I'm with like family and stuff, and we want to stop centrally, so we stopped here. All good. And yeah, so it's good to go somewhere else. And the last picture on the wall, actually, Capitol Records building, which is down the street from here. And that gives you some kind of idea of the boulevard from a different angle. So yeah, that is your hotel experience, your room experience. So hope you enjoyed that, and catch you next time. Bye.